When a guy calls you bro, it can be a perplexing situation, especially if you have romantic feelings, as it might signal anything from genuine affection to platonic friendship, or even an attempt to set boundaries. It could mean he really likes you by using it as a quirky term of endearment, or conversely, that he only sees you as a friend or even like a sibling. Other interpretations include him using it out of nervousness, trying to let you down gently, or simply because bro is a common term he uses for everyone. It might also indicate he's trying to distance himself after being interested in the past, is interested in someone else, or is trying to signal to a friend that you're off limits. Rather than overthinking this single word, it's often best to observe his overall behavior and other cues. If you're truly curious or bothered, try asking him directly about his intentions, mirroring the term to gauge his reaction, or if you're feeling brave, expressing your feelings to gain clarity and closure.